Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. So we just picked up the bike from Monkey Moto. The bike's been up there for about 3 weeks. Was having a starting issue, and a couple of my subscribers actually helped me identify the issue. These bikes, I guess, have a known problem with the starter clutch. MV calls it the sprag clutch. So MV Agusta Dallas here, which is Monkey Moto, they were able to go in and order the parts and replace it all under warranty. So that's awesome. Glad to have the bike back. Parts did take a while to come in, so that was a little irritating, but 3 weeks without it, I'm glad to be back on it. While the bike was at the dealership, I actually had them go ahead and check out the rear brake. It was feeling a little mushy, or kind of squishy. Spongy, I guess, is another way to look at it. And they went ahead and bled the rear brakes for me. Again, I guess they went ahead and covered that under warranty, so didn't have to pay a dime out of pocket for anything on the bike, which is awesome. That's why I went ahead and bought a new bike instead of a pre-owned bike. I didn't want to have any sort of additional maintenance costs as things were going wrong. So I mean, this thing is an Italian machine, so things are going to happen to it, you know. I'm happy to have it back though. Looking forward to a weekend of riding with the boys. Pull in here and top off the gas before we head back. Got a little bit of a ride home. Man, it turns over so much quicker now. Yeah, after a month off the bike, I'm feeling a little rusty. Not only with riding, but also with moto vlogging. Got to get used to riding around with a microphone and talking to myself again. I did want to say that I appreciate everyone who commented on my last several videos with different ideas on what may be going on with the bike. Had a couple guys that are pretty knowledgeable with MVs that had reached out to me and said that it was probably the sprag clutch. And it sounds like I also probably need to upgrade the battery that's in the bike. A lot of people say that these bikes have, you know, issues where they're trying to draw too much voltage, and the batteries that MV puts in here from the factory aren't sufficient. So I guess we'll probably be addressing that next. I'm also going to be coming up on my first maintenance interval for my oil change. We already did the break-in service, but this will be the first maintenance after the break-in. So got to get that taken care of. I did get the bike back at like the perfect time. Weather's starting to cool off a little bit. It's about 70 degrees right now. 72, 73 degrees, perfect riding weather. I'm actually wearing a sweater just because it's a little chillier when you're on the bike. Anybody that watches the channel that rides will know that. Probably time for me to start wearing gear again. I've been catching a lot of flack for not wearing gear from some of the subscribers and some of the viewers down in the comment section. Despite what you may think, I actually do enjoy wearing gear. I like the way it looks. It makes me feel like a Power Ranger, and it's just cool. I just got away from it when it got really hot and haven't recommitted to wearing it again. Anyways, this video was meant to just be a quick update for what's been going on with the bike and why there hasn't been as much content on the channel. We'll catch up with you guys more over the weekend. We'll do some filming. If you guys enjoyed the video, hop down below and hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already to check out future videos. Catch you on the next one. Peace.